Heading to the garage now for the second day of piecing this E30 back together. Let's see how far we go. All right, so here we are in the shop once again, hanging out with Jack this time. Turn around! That's Jack. That's usually how I talk to him, right?
Yep.
Nah, I don't do that. So Jack's pulling up a tutorial, not because we don't know what we're doing. We just always have one open in case.
We suck.
No, in case we miss a step.
Oh.
Or in case we suck. Same thing. Oh, and hey, what do you know? I totally forgot that I ordered some parts and they showed up this morning. There's our Vanos seal. This is where we left off. And put the Vanos on because we don't have a Vanos seal. Well, now we do. How about that?
Don't have it in stock, boss.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You as well. Goodbye. All right, let's call O'Reilly's. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Here we go. We're gonna give them a quick little phone call. Hello. Do you have a thermostat for a 1998 BMW M3? My time is very limited.
The recommended one at $16.99 at 192 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wonderful. Do you also have the ring?
And I show the ring at $1.99.
In stock?
Yeah.
Wonderful. I'll be there shortly. Thank you.
Okay, we close at 9.
Wonderful.
Okay, sir.
See you soon. Goodbye. Wonderful. So if we head on down to O'Reilly's right now, we've got ourselves a solution to our problem. Basically, we got stuck here because we're missing a thermostat. That ain't no good, brother. Got myself this guy.
You better put some like high class music over that, over you talking right there.
Oh yeah, that can be arranged. Let's go. This is a new persona, by the way. I've never done this one.
You got the southern guy, the German guy,
Yep.
now the English guy.
I don't know that that's English. That's like vampire. That's like my vampire accent. Let's proceed. Wonderful. A day in Jack's life. Dude, that's a pretty sick windshield banner. I almost wish you got pulled over so that this was like your first time getting pulled over.
Yeah.
What you know about that slammed life, son? Left here. I haven't been in a car like this since I was in high school. Just kidding. Okay, look at this guy. Ah, yes. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Wonderful.
What you doing, my man?
We're coming here to get some shit.
This guy came and took a shit on our floor and bleeding.
What's
How you
that?
been, bro?
Good.
This guy just had took a shit and was bleed out all right here in his shit.
What?
Yeah,
He was bleeding?
yeah, bleeding from his asshole.
Ugh.
It was nasty.
All right, thermostat is installed. Next, we're gonna be throwing on this thermostat housing one. Got the ring on. Oh, yep. Nice. It's always getting that first bolt on. That's the hardest one. Right, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
Jack concurs. Okay, right. So we pretty much have the thermostat housing installed. Just getting into this last bolt, it's a little tricky. We've got the Vanos in place, lined up with the studs. Now I've got our Vanos tool. I've got my timing chain assembly and my cam sprockets rotated all the way clockwise. What we're gonna do now that we've got this kind of put in place, we're gonna use this to now turn left and push forward. Let's see. Ow! Gotta love working on cars. I just love working on cars. That felt so good. Just get a rush when I bust my knuckles. It's why we do this. It's why I do this. It just gets me really going. Oh, that did not feel good. That did not feel good. Okay, this Vanos tool. Come on, brother. Get in there. All right. You don't seem to be doing jack shit for me right now. Can we just get along? Sing a little kumbaya? Get this guy in there? Man, I just love working on cars. We're gonna take a break. Go ahead and stop recording. So, it's past Jack's bedtime, so he went home. And then this guy showed up.
Oh yeah, I'm here.
Hey, Sam's clean. Oh, we don't need that.
You don't need it? I'm just cleaning everything.
What we're doing now is throwing this turbo on. And it just always looks cooler if you can do it with one hand. Definitely using two hands right now. Nice. Beautiful. All right, we've got the turbo exhaust housing on, bolted to the headers. We've got our spark plug socket gasket on, as well as our cam cap. This basically just keeps oil from spraying out while you're filling the thing with oil. Making headway. So Sam dropped a tool. I might have even dropped a tool down the downpipe. Shame. Shame. Damn shame.
Fishing for parts, fishing for tools. Nothing yet. Gotta put some bigger bait on there. Damn, that really went far.
Feeling anything?
Whoa!
You see something?
I got it.
No way. Yeah!
There she is. Oh my.
Nice. That's way better than letting it shoot out the
disgusting.
downpipe. Yeah.
What the
Oh
fuck
my.
is that?
That's
Look at
called
this.
what was shooting out the back?
Gross.
Yeah, that's gross.
Yuck.
That's that buildup from the nasty head gasket. All right, done for the night. We'll come back tomorrow, finish the rest of this off. So we made some good progress.